orange taste test. I just have to say this one is not quite as pretty as this one. Look at that beautiful orange. And I'm not sure exactly why one orange would be one color and the other orange would be another. But I'm curious as to how they both taste. Now these I have had before. They're from my brother's house. And these are new to me. They're from Juanita's house. So, San Gabriel, Long Beach. San Gabriel orange versus Long Beach orange taste test. Now this is the San Gabriel orange and this is the Long Beach orange. The Long Beach orange has a lot more orange. Hang on a minute. Let's cut these slices in half and I'm going to do the taste test. Okay, so this is Long Beach orange, Juanita's orange. Wow. Very sweet, very, very sweet. Delicioso. Also very sweet. Wow. I don't think there's a clear winner here. Almost no acidity. Almost no acidity. I don't know if I could really tell the difference if I had my blindfold on. So we will call everyone a winner. Long Beach oranges and San Gabriel oranges are all California oranges.